I'm often asked the question, Laura, would you like protein with fat? Or as an Ayurvedic practitioner, people often ask, well, what about the protein or the carbs or the calories or the sugars? You see, the thing is, Ayurveda is a science of wholeness and energy rather than isolates and molecules. So when you look at something like this banana, what we're looking at, Ayurvedically speaking, is thousands of years of evolution. We're looking at a plant that has a relationship with the sun, such a beautiful relationship that this banana becomes sweet. Or we look at fennel, and we look at how not only so beautiful it is, but how healthy it is. Fennel is actually an astringent taste. The greens, the leafy greens, are bitter. Bananas are sweet. Flax seeds are sweet and astringent. We're actually looking at or feeling or noticing the tastes in the food. And we're letting our body tell us, what taste do we desire right now? Because your body's intelligent. And Ayurveda is a science that reminds you, you are nature yourself. You are full of the same intelligence, beauty, and deliciousness. So that when we prepare a meal and eat a meal, we're not just nourishing our body, we're nourishing our mind, and we're nourishing ourselves at the soul level, remembering that we are nature. We are every bit as beautiful, bountiful, great, and good as nature itself. In my new book, Ayurveda Cooking for Beginners, all of this is explained with paragraphs and graphs and charts, as well as 108 recipes with only 5 ingredients per recipe, so that Ayurveda cooking is made simple for you, so that right away you can start living the sacred, sumptuous life that Ayurveda offers.